Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Rochelle Joy Robles, 34 years old, Filipino and married. I have 3 children, 1 girl and 2 boys. I have 1 brother and 1 sister, and I am the second child of the family. I have experience as a domestic helper before in 3 countries. It was in Jordan, Taiwan, and in Macau. In Jordan, there was a 3 adult in the family and they have children, but most of the children are grown up. And in Taiwan, there was no children, only old couple. And in Macau, there was 6 members of the family and they are all adult. I can take care also newborn baby, grown up children, and old people. I am willing to finish my contract with you, and if you want to renew my contract, I will stay. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family and to prepare the better future of my kids. And I'm willing to learn the procedure of Hong Kong, if not the same the procedure of the countries I worked before. I hope you will hire me. Please consider my application, ma'am and sir. Hope to see you soon. Thank you and have a good day.